Oh. So the one we need to begin taking care about in implementing the steps of test execution. So we need to begin taking care about in implementing with the step that we will be taking care about test execution. If I'm taking with test execution, what is the meaning of test execution? Uh-huh. What is the meaning of test execution? Comparison of expected result with actual result. Meaning of expected result, result based on requirement document. Meaning of actual result based on application. So we need to take care about in having with both the results need to be get take care about in doing comparison of this particular expected result. We need to be get take care about expected result doing comparison with actual result. So if I'm taking with this particular expected result, meaning of expected result based on requirement document, then he got actual result. This particular actual result based on application, result based on application. So we need to be get take care about, we need to be get take care about in doing comparison of expected result with actual result. If both the results are same, if these particular both the results are same, what will consider? What will consider? Pass. If both the results are not same, what will consider? What will consider? Fail. In case of both the results are same, we need to be get considering the pass. If both the results are not same, considering that fail. In case of that particular test case has been passed, now what we can what we can consider? We need to go with we need to go with another test case. We need to be get take care about in go with another test case here. In case of fail, what need to be done? What need to be done? Bug reporting. In case of fail, we need to take care about bug reporting. This is what we need to be get take care about in performing these particular respective test steps here. I mean, we need to be get take care about doing that particular respective execution. So while working this particular respective execution, while working this particular respective test execution, if I'm taking with test scenarios prepared by test scenarios or prepared by test cases prepared by test cases or prepared by test execution done by test execution done by tester. Tester has been taking care about in doing this particular test execution. So according to our understanding, if you want to start, if you want to go with test execution, what we require? To go with test execution, what you required? What is it? Test cases and application. If you want to get start with execution, we need to take care about test cases and application. Only test cases we can't go with execution. Only application. We can't go with execution. You have to take care about, you need to take care about in referring. You need to be get taking care about in referring with that particular respective test cases. We need to take care about that particular test cases along with test cases. Along with test cases, we need to be get taking care about application. In having with both the things, we need to be get taking care about in having with both the things and need to be get started with test execution. So related to our project, what is the project we are working? What is the project we are working? Adapting. So related to our adapting project, we got taking care about the test cases. Along with test cases, we need to take care about application. Both the things are there. We need to have both the things and continue in doing with test execution, and as part of test execution or while doing test execution, we have to take care about in coming up with identifying the bugs or which we can consider the defects. Now, first you got take care about in working with new user registration. So related to new user registration, is there any bugs are there? No bugs, sir. New user registration. Everything working fine. No bugs at all. Online students. Uh-huh. I told that to test the build one, right? Uh-huh. Yesterday, Sunday, sir, only biryani time is there, sir. No testing time, sir. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Reset button. What is the bug? Oh, that is what correct, right? If you take with the reset button, you are entering the data and you are clicking on the reset button, the data need to be clear. That is a correct functionality. Then online students, any bugs in this 3.1? No bugs at all. Developer too intelligent. Uh-huh. Not even one bug is not there, huh? Uh-huh. You have to test it. Without doing with the testing, you can't identify the bugs. I clearly told that you guys need to spend with the time to get identify the bugs in each and every model. Every model bugs are there. This new user registration also. New user registration also. Bugs has been there. See the try with, you got in a column of full name. You need to get take care about that particular full name. If you take with any of the person name, any person name, you will get with only one single letter. Did you see any person name having with only one single letter? Yes or no? No. That means whenever you are taking with the full name, that minimum 3 or minimum 4 are mandatory. But you can try this. It will work with even one single letter also. That is considered as a one particular bug. Just an example, I'm saying that that is one bug. Similar to that, there are n number of bugs are there in this build one, each and every model bugs are there. You guys need to spend with the time and need to be get coming up with identifying all the bugs. Just attending the session and saying that training is completed, there is no use of that. In my training program, At any cost, you have to spend with the time to take care about the practice here. You may get in a doubt, sir, will not practice it. What you will be doing it if you are not practicing it? What I'll do? Uh-huh. In case of, assume that if you are not practicing it, let it be. Assume that you have been continued the whole training program without doing any of the practice. After completion of the training program, what you will do? After completion of the training program, what you have to do? Yeah. After completion of the training program, what you have to do? Job search, right? If you want to do the job search, what you require? For doing the job search, what you require? Apart from skill, what you require? What is it? Resume has been required. Without resume, you'll attend the interview. Uh-huh. You require the resume. All your resumes need to be prepared by Suresh sir. All your resumes need to be prepared by Suresh sir only. Remember on that. Please remember on that particular point. All your resumes, including online also, all your resumes need to be prepared by Suresh sir only. But you may get in a one more doubt. Suresh sir, why you have to prepare it? Google is there. We'll download from Google and then we'll update it and we'll attend the interview. You can do that part also. After 1 month, again you have to revert back to the Suresh sir saying that, sir, I'm not getting any calls with this resume. 100% on that. I know that what are the techniques need to be done in the resume. If I want to prepare the resume, now I will not ask anything. I'll say that you have to complete the assignment. If you are completing the assignment, perfectly okay. If you are not completing the assignments also, perfectly okay. But on the day of, you will be coming with me for the resume preparation. On that day, I will open your folder in asking that what are the assignment you completed. Without completing the assignments, I will not be giving any of the resumes here. So please take care about it. Please take care about all the practice. Even though it is manual testing, even though it is manual testing, the practice is mandatory. You have to take care about and doing with it each and every practice. Without doing with the practice, you will not be comfortable to explain in front of interviewer, because that is what you need to explain to the interviewer in saying that what are the test cases you have been created, or what are that bugs you identified, how you got identified that bugs, everything in practical you need to explain. So if you want to get explained all that particular things, you need to do the practice. So please spend with the time and come up with identifying with more number of bugs in this build one. If I'm taking with build number, what is the build number you got? 1. In this build one, each and every model, lot of bugs are there. I've been already told that there are 30 plus bugs are there. There 30 plus bugs are there. You have to take care about, you need to take care about in identifying each and every bug. You have to take care about in testing with each and every model, and you have to take care about in coming up with identifying that particular respective bugs here. You need to be taking care about in identifying that particular respective bugs and need to be do with bug reporting. You have to take care about in identifying that particular bugs, and then you have to take care about in coming up with identifying that particular bugs. So please spend with the time. Please spend with the time. Once you complete this build one, once you complete the build one, I can go with build two. Without completing the build one, Without completing the build 1, you can't go with the build 2. I cannot explain build 2 also. If you complete build 1 testing, if you complete build 1 testing, then only I can explain you what you need to done with the build 2. So please spend with the time. I can understand that your calendars are too busy, even though your calendars are too busy for the practice, you require spending some time. Then only you can learn with the subject. Otherwise, it will become a more problem in going with further concepts here. So please spend with the time and make sure that coming up with identifying with the bugs in build 1, including online students also. Even though you are attending in online, you have to take enough practice. Please utilize your offline lab or you can utilize online lab and make sure that you are completing all that particular practice. So take care about working with build 1. As an example, as an example, this particular search model, this particular search model we got taking care about in taking with one particular bug. In that particular search model, we got one particular bug related to check-in date. In the same way, if I'm taking with this particular next model, if I'm taking with this particular model, what is the model you got? What is the model you got? Select hotel model. Any bugs in this model? Any bugs? Uh-huh. See that. I'm taking care about entering with the username. I'm entering with the username in the login page. Okay. Let's go with login. Once I done with the login, the same username is displayed. The same username displayed or not? Yes or no? The same username displayed. Functionality is correct. That functionality is correct. Perfectly okay. Perfectly okay. Click on search. What it is displaying? What is it displaying? Is that functionality correct? Is that functionality correct? Is that is what you entered in the login page? No. In the login page, you enter different username. Here it is displaying as a different. That is also one more particular bug. In that particular select hotel model, in that particular select hotel model, we got one particular bug. In that particular select hotel model, we got one more particular bug related to hello text, related to this particular hello text. We got one particular bug. After that, if I'm taking with selecting with the hotel, click on continue. I'm just providing all that particular respective data. I'm just providing all that particular respective data. Okay. Considering that, taking with that particular year, providing CVV number, that particular CVV number also provided. So here we provided first name, we provided last name. First name is provided, last name also provided. If we just look into that, is that last name is displayed? In the previous page, I entered last name, but is it that last name is displayed? No, that is also one particular bug. Lot of bugs are there. You guys need to spend enough time to get identify the bugs. You need to take care about spending with the time in testing each and every functionality. You have to take care about, you need to take care about in testing with each and every particular functionality with positive, negative, different combination and come up with identifying more bugs here. Once he got identify the bugs, once he got identify the bugs, then you need to take care about another most important one. That is what you will be taking with bug reporting. Once he got identify the bugs, our job role, tester job role, tester job role is not like just identifying the bugs. Once bugs has been identified, once bugs has been identified, as a tester, as a tester, we have to take care about bug reporting. As a tester, we need to take care about bug reporting. So what exactly the meaning of bug reporting? What exactly the meaning of bug reporting? Let's see that. See the understanding. Previously, we are taking care about in implementing the steps of STLC. Meaning of STLC? Software. What is it? Software testing life cycle. As part of STLC, what is the first step? Requirements understanding. Taking care about in referring with all requirement documents related to that project or according to that project, what exactly the requirement documents are there. You need to take care about in referring all that particular requirement documents. Along with that, we got test plan activity taken care by test plan activity taken care by test lead. And then we got test scenarios. Meaning of test scenarios? Meaning of test scenarios? What need to be tested? Then we got test cases. Meaning of test cases? Meaning of test cases? How to be tested. Then we got test execution. Meaning of test execution? Comparison of expected result with actual result. In the same way, we have to take care about bug reporting. So the meaning of bug reporting, see the understanding, see the understanding. The meaning of bug reporting. What exactly the meaning of bug reporting is? We can say that documenting the issue. What is the meaning of bug reporting? Meaning of bug reporting? Documenting the issue. That means according to real-time standards. According to real-time standards. Bug reporting means it's not like you are going to developer seat or developer system and informing to the developer saying that developer there is a bug in this particular step. It's not like you are going to the developer seat and informing what is that particular bug. The meaning of bug reporting, the meaning of bug reporting, what exactly that issue is there, what exactly that issue is there, need to document it. That is what we mention as part of manual testing. As part of manual testing, you need to take care about, you need to take care about spending with the more time in documentation. As part of manual testing, you need to spend more time in that particular documentation. So in that bug reporting, meaning of bug reporting, meaning of bug reporting, documenting the issue. What exactly that issue is there? What exactly that issue is there? We have to take care about documenting that particular issue. We need to take care about documenting that particular issue. But how to document? How we can document? How we can document that particular bug? For that, previously we done with test scenarios. Meaning of test scenarios? Meaning of test scenarios. What need to be tested? That particular test scenarios we got documented with the help of template. Yes or no? For documenting the scenarios, we done with the template. Meaning of template? Meaning of template? Format. In the same way, we got taking care about test cases. While documenting the test cases also, we got the template. That is what we mention. Test case template. We mention test case template. Meaning of template? Format. For scenarios, we got template. Cases, we got template. Execution also, we got template. In the same way, we need to go with bug reporting. We need to take care about bug reporting. That particular bug reporting also, that particular bug reporting also, we need to take care about in utilizing that particular bug reporting also, we need to take care about utilizing that particular respective template according to our understanding. According to our understanding. Templates provided by templates are provided by test lead. So if I'm taking with templates, always templates are provided by test lead only. You guys doesn't require to prepare any of the template. All the templates related to the project, each and every particular template provided by test lead only. That is what we need to take care about. Bug template, or you can consider that defect template. We can call as a bug, or we can call as a defect. We can call as a bug, or which will be taking with that particular defect, that will be taking with mentioning about bug template, or I can take care about that particular defect template. We need to be taking care about in having that particular template. So for your practice, I'm just providing that particular template in that Google Classroom. For your practice, I'm just this particular template in the Google Classroom. You guys need to take care about downloading. You have to take care about, you need to take care about in downloading this particular template. Once you got download the template, where you will provide the template? First, you will download the template. From where you will download the template? From where you will download the template? From Google Classroom. From the Google Classroom, you are taking care about downloading the template. Once template is downloaded, that particular bug template you are providing in the folder of templates. Once you provide in the folder of template, once you provide in the folder of template, the same template you will provide in. Where is bug reporting? Under test reports. Test reports, do we have bug reporting folder? There. Need to create one folder. What is it? Test reports. Under the test reports. See your notebook on the day one. Where is that folder of defects folder? What is it? Build one. Where that build one folder available? What is it? What is that? Test execution. According to your folder structure. According to your folder structure, you provided scenarios under the folder of test scenarios. You provided test cases under the folder of test cases. Now you are taking with bug reporting. If I'm taking with bug reporting at the time of preparing the scenarios, at the time of preparing the scenarios, did we identify any bugs? At the time of preparing the scenarios, did we find the bugs? No. At the time of test cases, did we find the bugs? No. When we are finding the bugs? At the time of test execution. At the time of test execution. At the time of test execution, we need to take care about. At the time of test execution, we need to take care about in finding the bugs that will be taking with test execution. That will be taking with test execution. Okay. Now, under test execution, what is the build number we are working? Build one. So under build one, again you have in a folder of defects. Under build one, you got in a folder of defects. In that, you need to be provide that particular template. First, you are providing template in templates folder. First, you are providing in templates folder. After that, you are providing in this particular test execution folder, and then taking care about doing with that particular rename. Taking care about in doing the rename, mentioning that bug underscore taking with defect related to which application? Related to which application? Adapting. Related to adapting application. Related to adapting application. We are taking with the help of that template. We are taking with the help of that particular template. According to that particular template. According to that particular template, we need to take care about documenting. Templates, you are not worried about at all. Templates, you are not worried about at all. 100%, 100%, your test lead will take care about providing with the templates. You need to just understand that what are the templates. According to that particular template, according to that particular template, you have to take care about in doing all the documentation. According to that particular template, you have to take care about in doing that particular documentation. Okay, let's take care about this template according to this particular template. According to this particular template, we have to take care about in documenting. Let's see that how we can document. Let's understand what exactly this particular template. So we'll understand what exactly the template. According to the template, we'll start documenting. Just make a note of description. I'll be giving the description. Make a note of description of each and every column. Make a note of description of each and every column, and then we'll take care about and then we'll take care about. Make a note of description of each and every column. After that, we'll start documenting the bug. So take the first one. Take the first one. Mention the defect ID. Write the first one. Mention the defect ID. Right. Write the description. Write the description. ID of the defect. ID of the defect. ID of the defect or bug. ID of the defect or bug. ID of the defect or bug. Take the next one. Status. Take the next one. Status. Next one is status. Write the description. Write the description. Progress of the bug. Progress of the bug. Progress of the bug. Progress of the bug. Take the next one. Severity. Next one is severity. Severity. Write the description. Based on functionality. Based on functionality. Based on functionality. Based on functionality. Take the next one. Priority. Next one. Priority. All the online students also, please make a note of all the description. All the online students also, please make a note of the proper description. Mention that priority. Write the description. Based on client importance. Based on client importance. Based on client importance. Based on client importance. Take the next one. Module. Take the next one. Module. Write the next one. Module. Now, write the description. Name of the page. Name of the page. Name of the page or module. 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 Take the next one. Reported by. Reported by. Write the next one. Reported by. Write the description. Name of the tester. Name of the tester. Name of the tester. Reported by. Name of the tester. Next. Assigned to. Next one is assigned to. Assigned to. Write the description. Name of the developer. Name of the developer. Name of the developer or group ID. Group ID of. Group ID of development team. Group ID of development team. Group ID of development team or name of the test lead. Name of the test lead. Name of the test lead. Just cross check that. Just cross check that. Assigned it to. Assigned it to. Name of the developer. Name of the developer or group ID of development team. Group ID of development team or name of the test lead. Name of the test lead. Okay. Take the next one. Browser. Take the next one. Browser. Write the next one. Browser. Now, write the description. Name of the browser. Name of the browser. Name of the browser. Name of the browser. Take the next one. Found in version. Found in version. Found in version. Write the description. Version number. Version number of particular build. Version number of particular build. Version number of particular build. Particular build. Take the next one. Found in build. Found in build. Found in build. Take the next one. Found in build. Write the description. Number of the build. Number of the build. Number of the build. Number of the build. Take the next one. Title or summary. Title or summary. Title or summary. Title or summary. Write the description. A small overview. A small overview or description. A small overview or description. A small overview or description related to particular bug. Related to particular bug. A small overview or description related to particular bug. Take the next one. Steps to reproduce. Steps to reproduce. Steps to reproduce. Steps to reproduce. Write the description. Steps to be followed. Steps to be followed. Steps to be followed to test particular functionality. To test particular functionality. Steps to be followed. Steps to be followed to test particular functionality. To test particular functionality. To test particular functionality. Okay. Take the next one. Expected result. Expected result. Expected result. Write the description. Result based on requirement document. 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 Take the next one. Actual result. Actual result. Actual result. Write the description. Result based on requirement. Result based on application. Result based on application. Result based on application. Result based on application. Take the next one. Attachments. Take the next one. Attachments. Next one is attachments. Write the description. Mock-up or screenshot. Mock-up or screenshot. Mock-up or screenshot related to related to particular bug, related to particular bug, mock-up or screenshot related to particular bug. Okay. So let's understand what exactly mean by this and how we can take care about it. As simple as we need to take care about in doing the activity of bug reporting. Meaning of bug reporting? Meaning of the bug reporting? Documenting the issue. So what exactly the issue is related to? What exactly the issue is related to? We have to take care about documenting. For documenting, we need to take care about the respective template. So that templates provided by templates are provided by test lead. That particular templates are provided by test lead. So the test lead will take care about in providing the template. According to that particular template, we are taking care about documenting with each and every bug. First, you need to come up with First, you need to come up with identifying each and every bug. First, you have to take care about in identifying each and every bug. That particular bug, you need to get start documenting. So for that, we need to take care about in providing the bug template, the same bug template provided in the Google Classroom. In that, you got that sheet 1. In the sheet 1, you got defect overview. For now, you can ignore the sheet 1. You are not worried about these things. Going forward, you will understand. For now, you can ignore that. Take care about the second sheet, which it will be having that particular bug template. According to that particular bug template, according to that particular bug template, you need to take care about documenting. Let's see that how we can do here. As usual, followed with the template defect ID. Meaning of defect ID? ID of the defect or bug need to follow the same series. Need to follow the same series mentioning the bug 001. As they are documenting first bug, as they are documenting first bug, you will mention the bug 001. As they are documenting first bug, you will take care about bug sorry, you will take care about bug 001. Then you will be taking with second column. What is it? Status. Meaning of status? Meaning of the status? Progress of the bug. So what exactly progress of that particular bug? What exactly progress of that particular bug? Slowly you will understand. For now, for today, you can mention that the status is new. What is mean by that? What are other status? Lot of things are there. Step by step you will understand. But for today, you can consider that that particular bug status is new. Okay. What is the next one? Severity. Meaning of severity? Meaning of severity? Based on functionality. In the same way, you got priority. Meaning of priority? Meaning of priority? Based on client importance. For today, just for today, you can make it as empty. Not required to provide anything that you will understand. It will take some time. For today, just make it as empty that you will understand. And then next option. What is the next option? Model. Meaning of the model? Name of the page or model. Let's assume we are taking care about documenting with the bug of check-in date. We are reporting the bug of check-in date. The check-in date is related to which module? Check-in date is related to which module? What is it? Such hotel. So that check-in date is related to such hotel. Check-in date is related to such hotel, which it is mentioned that such hotel. Okay. After that, you got reported by. Meaning of reported by? Meaning of reported by? Name of the tester. You need to be get mentioned name of the tester. After that, assigned to. Meaning of assigned to? Name of the developer. If you are already aware of that, who is the developer? According to that project, who is the developer related to that model? If you are knowing, if you are aware of that name of the developer, directly you can provide name of the developer. In case of you are aware of that who is the developer, directly you can provide name of the developer. One option. If you are not aware of that, who is the developer? What is other option? What is other option? Group ID of development team. You need to provide group ID of the development team. Combine of all the developers. One group ID will be there. You can provide that particular group ID. First option. What is the first option? Name of the developer. If you are not aware of that name of the developer, what is the next option? Group ID of development team. If not aware of that, what is the next option? Name of the test lead. So who exactly the test lead of that particular project? You can provide name of the test lead. So as simple as we need to be taking care about name of the developer, group ID of development team, or we can consider name of the test lead. So for now, we are not worried who is the name of the developer. So mentioning the development team, considering that we are just mentioning the development team, considering that dev. Okay. What is the next option? Browser. Meaning of the browser? Name of the browser. I was taking care about Chrome. What is the next one? Found in version. Another one? Found in bill. So we got two things. One is found in version. Another one found in bill. In general, you may see that any of the versions. Best example, you can cross check your mobile. If I'm taking with your mobiles or any of the software, you will be able to see having these kind of versions. Wait. Which class? Which? No, next class. So here we need to take care about not this class. So here we need to take care about in having this particular one, mentioning about having this kind of numbers will be there. So if I'm taking this particular one, see the understanding here, see the understanding. The starting number what we got, that particular one, you can consider that is build number. The starting one, you can consider that build number. In the same way, the last things, you can consider that version number. So the last things, you can consider that version number. So one you will be taking with build number, and another one you will be taking with version number. So you need to refer which build you are working according to that particular build. According to that particular build, you need to cross check that what exactly that particular version number you have to take care about in providing that particular respective version number. See that. See the understanding related to our application. Related to our application. Is it any version number we have? There is no version number. As version number is not available, not required to provide. In case if you are able to see that particular version number, you can provide that particular version number. For now, according to our build, we got only build number, so not required to provide on this. Just will take care about providing build number. So what is the build number you got? 1. Okay. Next, what is the next one? Fixed in version, fixed in bill. So we are taking care about the concept of bug reporting. Meaning of bug reporting? Meaning of bug reporting? Documenting the issue. As a tester, we are responsible in just documenting the bug. As a tester, we are responsible in documenting the bug. We are not worried about, in fixing the bug. Fixing the bug, taking care by developer. Fixing the bug, taking care by development team. Because of that, we are not worried about on this. These two things are taken care by developer. Taking care by developer. See that. We got defect ID, status, severity, priority. That you will understand. Model reported by, assigned to, browser, found in version, found in build. Okay. Then we got considering that this particular title or summary. If I'm taking title or summary, what is the meaning of title or summary? A small description or overview related to particular bug. What exactly the bug is related to? What exactly that particular bug is related to? we need to provide a small overview or we need to provide a small description. Let's see that. If I'm taking with bug, the bug is related to check-in date. So what is the title we can write? Check-in date. Huh? Such hotel. What is that overview we can write? Some small description. Bug related to such hotel. Okay. Still. By seeing with that bug title, by seeing the title or summary, the people has to able to understand that what exactly the bug is related to, what exactly the title you are providing or that summary you are writing. By seeing that, the people has to be understood, the people has to be understood what exactly the bug is related to. In that way, you need to write the title. In that way, you need to write the title. So what is that particular title you can write? What is that particular title you can write? Uh-huh. What is that? Bug related to check-in date. Uh-huh. See that. See the understanding. If I'm taking with the bug, the bug related to check-in date, that part perfectly okay. But if I provide current date, if I provide current date, or if I provide future date, if I'm providing current date and if I'm providing future date, is a check-in date working or not? If we are providing current date and if you are providing the future date, is a check-in date working or not? Working. Current date or future date, working or not? Working. Online students. Check-in date, not working. You provided current date or you entered future date. In this particular check-in date, you provided that future date. Then your check-in date is working or not? Not working. Okay. Working or not working? Or both? Or none of the above? If you enter check-in date as current date and future date, in the application, is that working or not? Working. Not working. Did you tested it? That is the reason I told that to test it. If we enter current date or future date, it is working. No issues at all. If you enter current date and future date, it is perfectly working. There is no issues at all. If you want to test it, you can test it. We are getting the problem with previous date. We are getting the problem with previous date. That means we can't say that check-in date is not working. It is working with future date and it is working with current date. When it is getting the problem with the previous date, it is getting with the problem with previous date. That is what I need to clearly mention. in that particular bug reporting. Let's see that how we are writing. First, I'm taking name of the application. What is the name of the application? Adactin. In which model we got? In which model we got? Search hotel. We got the bug in search hotel. Then I'm mentioning that validation of check-in date is not working. See the understanding. I'm not saying that check-in date is not working. For that check-in date, validation is not working. That means is that we entered current date or future date, previous date. That cross-checking is not correctly working. Validation of check-in date is not working. Saying that what is not working? Accepting previous date. It has been taking care about in accepting previous date. So what exactly the previous date is there? So that particular previous date, it has been accepting. Don't be confused at all. Not like mandatory that to write the same summary. Not like mandatory that you need to write same summary. As simple as by seeing the summary, what you provided, the people has to be understand that what exactly the bug is related to. What exactly that particular bug is related to need to be able to understand. In that way, you need to provide that particular title or you need to provide that particular summary. Okay. Then we got steps to reproduce. Meaning of steps to reproduce? Meaning of steps to reproduce? Steps to be followed. Steps to be followed to test particular functionality. You have to clearly mention the step to reproduce this bug. You are mentioning that what is the bug? To get this bug, to reproduce this bug, what are the steps need to be followed? You need to write in a very detail. No concept of shortcuts. Better suggestion, you need to go with very detailed step. So as usual, taking with launch browser and considering that enter URL and considering that enter username and then taking with enter password. After that, taking with click on login button. Click on login button. After that, mentioning that select all the required fields. Select all the required fields. We need to write each and everything, but for now, I'm just mentioning that select all the required fields and then select check-in date as previous date. Select check-in date as previous date and considering that click on search button. Click on search button. You need to take care about in click on search button. So what exactly the steps are there? What exactly that steps are there? You need to take care about in writing all the steps. After that, you got expected result. So according to this bug, what is expected result? What is expected result? What is it? Error messages should be displayed. As we are taking with previous date, it has to take care about in displaying with error message. But if I'm taking with actual result, what is actual result we got? What is actual result we got? Select hotel. Select hotel. Page is displayed. Select hotel. Page is displayed. So that particular actual result dot select hotel page is displayed. Expected result error message should be displayed. Actual result select hotel page is displayed. Okay. So now we need to take care about in providing that attachment. Meaning of attachment? Meaning of attachment? Mock-up or screenshot related to that particular bug, related to that particular bug, we need to be we need to be provide that particular required screenshot. Let's see that how exactly we can take we can take care about in providing that particular screenshot according to that real time, according to the real time, how exactly we can take care about that particular screenshot. You can see that. So we need to we need to take that particular screenshot, providing that. Okay. After that, see, I got selected previous date. We got done with previous date. Click on search. Click on search. Now I will be taking that particular screenshot. So that I will be taking with that particular screenshot. Both the things need to be get provided. Right. Now, you can see that you need to provide the check-in date we provided as previous date. But even though we provided as previous date, it has been displaying with select hotel page, which is considered as a bug. So now you need to be taking care about selecting with both the things. You need to be take care about selecting with both the things, and you need to be in that particular one. You have to take care about in providing in this particular one. So this is how you need to be provide. This is how you need to be provide that particular screenshot also. I mean, by seeing that the developer has to be understand in the very clear way what exactly the bug is related to. What exactly that particular what exactly that particular bug is related to need to be get comfortable in understanding in a very detail. Because of that, including that particular screenshot, including that particular screenshot, you need to take care about in documenting with each and every respective bug. This is what you need to take care about. This is what you need to take care about in doing the activity of bug reporting. So what is the meaning of bug reporting? Meaning of bug reporting? Documenting the issue. So first you need to take care about testing the whole build one. Make a list of what are the bugs are there in that build one. Once you got the list, take each and every bug and start documenting. So how we got documented this particular bug? In this way, you have to take care about and documenting with each and every particular bug. So that is what you need to take care about in considering the bug reporting. Once you got comfortable, once you got comfortable taking care about documenting. According to this particular bug template, we got an option. What is it? Status. Meaning of the status? Meaning of the status? Progress of the bug. Related to that, for now, what is the status he got? New. For today, he got the status of new. Related to that particular status, related to that particular status, we need to understand the concept of previously you done with the steps of SDLC. Meaning of SDLC? Software development life cycle. In the same way, you got started the activity of SDLC. Meaning of SDLC? Software testing life cycle. Continued with the same. Continued with the same. You need to take care about in mentioning the BLC. Meaning of BLC? What is it? Bug life cycle. We can say that bug life cycle or defect life cycle, one of the very most important concept. Without having this question, any of your testing interview will not complete. You may attend as fresher level, experience level, small companies, MNC, medium level, any companies you can attend without having the question of bug life cycle or defect life cycle, your interview will never complete. So that is what we need to understand related to this particular status, we need to understand the concept of bug life cycle or defect life cycle. So that we'll understand. After that, I'll take care about severity and priority. So by that, we'll be completing with the whole bug reporting, and then we'll take care of